Namaste everyone. Hope everyone is doing good. I just finished my beautiful divine meditation. I want to clarify a very important thing. I use the word divine quite a bit, right? I also am very careful about using the word divine. I want to make sure when I say divine, I'm not talking about a religious thing here. My reference of divine is something so pure that it's very hard for us to even comprehend. Only that experience of the pure bliss is a witness to it. And that experience is what I call divine. That state of pure, loving, blissful, self-compassionate, empathetic state of being is divine. So that meditation I just finished, of course, with the ancient living Master Sunita. As you always know, any time you come to the Master, there is a shift. There is a shift no matter what you go through in life. You are going through volcano kind of emotions. You are going through severe turmoil that is shaking your life from up and down. You think there is no hope in life. I've seen people coming with all kinds of situations and they come and experience that meditation and it feels like a tsunami has come and washed off everything. Because what is happening in this form of ancient meditation is all these clutters, all these false identifications, all these turmoils which we go through unfortunately in this chaotic, modern, hectic lifestyle, those things are washed off, cleared, and you start to know your true self. Knowing your true self is very, very difficult. Yes, meditation, there is so much research out there, so much buzz out there about, oh, it will calm your mind, it will keep you cool, it will keep your emotions cool and calm. That is just one aspect. But the real meditation is something that will take you to your core essence. Your core essence is that pure energy, that robust, phenomenal energy which will keep you centered no matter what. No matter what challenges you face in life, you will face with smile. You will face with that energy that will be not taking you down nor shake you anywhere. And you will be focused on your pure divine visions. So that is the number one benefit of coming to an ancient living master. And of course there are phenomenal health benefits that I always talk about. You name it, we have seen it. All kinds of health issues are cleared. And every time I see, like even after 11 years, I see people coming to Sunita and then, it's not that I doubt it, but I'm observing these people and then 2 sessions, 3 sessions finish, complete shift. And all that problem, whatever that is, depression or anxiety or Crohn's or colitis, gone. They come with one problem and they go with cumulative benefits. Full overall well-being. Overall well-being. So my dears, don't waste your time. I know we are all very busy taking care of our families, taking care of our children. Very important. There is no question about it. Everyone has to take care of their family. Everyone has to take care of their children. But most important is to start with the self. When you take care of this pure energy within you, you will automatically take care of children. Not only children, but children's children, children's children. Generations benefit from this vibration. Because what is happening in the presence of an ancient living master like Sunita is she's sowing that seed of purity, divinity, integrity, empowerment, richness, authenticity, responsibility, enrichment, all these beautiful things she's sowing. She's like planting those beautiful seeds and they start to sprout in you. And once they start to sprout, they become beautiful trees, flowers, fruits. What will happen? What does a tree do? It stays for hundreds of years. Not just your generation. It will give fruit to generations and generations and generations. We are way better than trees, I think so. Right? Aren't we more evolved than trees? We have much more power than a tree. We are more evolved. We have a brain that can think, that can plan. that can accomplish phenomenal things, going to the moon, going into the space. If we have so much power in us, imagine how many fruits we can pass. We have the capacity to pass to generations to come, not 1 or 2 generations, dears. These seeds will flow down the generations and you will see those results. Maybe you won't be there to see the results, but your children will benefit, your grandchildren will benefit, your great-grandchildren will benefit. They may not say about you today. They may think, oh my God, this guy is meditating all the time. But I tell you, they will one day look back and say, wow, I'm so glad I had that at very early on in my life. I had those seeds sown in my life very early on. They will benefit in a phenomenal way. There will not be any regrets, dears. Again, this is not ordinary meditation. This is a subtlest of the subtlest state of meditations. You won't realize it, and it's effortless. That's the beauty. All that we do is we come and just simply lie down here. You actually sleep. I see people coming and snoring left and right. And then they say, oh my God, Suman, is this meditation? Like, am I actually meditating? I'm like, yes, because your brain has never rested. It is so turbulent. Now it just came down to complete stillness and you're going into the deep sleep. In that deepest state of sleep, which is called Turiyavastha or Samadhi state, is where the healing happens in your cells. Every cell is blossoming, 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 blossoming. Spring is around, you know that, right? You will see these cherry blossoms. Suddenly, there are no leaves, actually flowers directly. Because the cells are waiting for that energy. Similarly, in our body, trillions of cells are waiting for that. It is there. It used to be there in ancient times. But you know how the world is in the last 100, 200, 300, 500 years. Chaos, chaos, chaos. Suppressed. But rarely you will find masters like this, like Sunita, who can trigger that revolution inside. It's a revolution of cells, of the energy, so that the cells are suddenly blossoming and your aging stops. 11 years, people ask me every time I meet my friends, old friends, new friends, they say, Suman, every time we meet you, you are looking younger. You should tell that, right? I shouldn't talk about it. But everybody is telling that to me. And I'm not proud that I'm becoming younger. Of course, the essence is not even that. But what I'm saying is that is one of the great side effects in this path. My body is healthy, strong, young, so that I can perform my duties in a phenomenal way for a long time in this world. You will be able to work for a greater purpose than your selfish little world. Yes, it is important to do for yourself, your family. There is a global family. We all want to do it, right? These days I see everybody wants to do something, but they don't know what they want to do. When you come to Sookshma, you will have crystal clear clarity of your purpose in life. And you will translate that purpose into something so meaningful that you will impact the world in a phenomenal way. You will leave a legacy, not just of money, not just of big bank accounts, but something that will be effective and phenomenal for generations to come. Okay, dears? Thank you very much for taking time to listening to my saga all the time. I start with 1 minute and I go to 10 minutes. It's unstoppable nuclear energy. It's a chain reaction. So again, if you are free on this Sunday, March 11th, from 2 to 5 p.m., we are meeting in Coquitlam. Master Sunita is doing this comprehensive, beautiful workshop. In 3 hours, you will feel the energy, you will feel the results, and you can carry that into your day-to-day life. Thank you very much for taking time again, and see you all soon. Namaste.